Wanna know how to use your inventory in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your PUBG Mobile application. And once you're there, on the bottom right side, you can see your inventory right here. So simply select your inventory. And once you're there, here you can see various items. So you can just simply use it through various ways. So first up are the dresses. So you can just simply swap dresses by scrolling and clicking on any one of these. Here you can also see variants like helmets, hats and much more. Next is guns. You can equip skins and stuff just by scrolling through and selecting this drop down right here. Next thing is vehicle skins. The same thing for it as well. And now finally we'll head towards emote. On the left side you can see this equipped emotes right here. So if any slot is empty, you can just drag an emote and drop it right here, or you can just replace it with another just like this. Now the last one is simply crates. Here you can open various crates and corresponding items. So right here you can see classic crates. I also have some crate to open scrap. You can just simply open up and you'll get rewards for it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.